and continuous learning that define the engineering profession. Let us remember that your hard hats, or our hard hats, not only protect us physically, but also serve as a reminder of our responsibility that we bear as engineers to save the society and to make a positive impact to the world. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you for reaching this significant milestone. May your hard hats always keep you safe, and may your pins inspire you to strive for excellence in all your future endeavors. Thank you to everyone who has supported us along the way that made this event possible. To the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers and Philippine Society of Sanitary Engineers, University of the Cordillera Student Chapters, members and officers, thank you for organizing this momentous event. Let us look forward to a future filled with challenges, opportunities, and the chance to make a difference to all. Together, let us build a better world. Thank you, and knock your hard hats. Once again, congratulations guys. You are now student engineers. Okay, so you may have your photo.
Saan bang anak ko dyan? Saan ba? Dyan rin. Picture, picture.